Welcome! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to write the perfect system prompt for ChatGPT custom GPTs. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create prompts that make your custom GPTs far more effective and tailored to your needs. Let's get started with a quick win. If you want to improve your responses right now, try this simple prompt. You are a knowledgeable assistant who provides concise information on any topic. Please respond to the following question. Insert your question here. This prompt sets a clear expectation for the assistant's behavior, so type it out and see how the responses change. Ready? Let's dive deeper into perfecting your system prompts. Now, why should you care about system prompts? Well, the way you phrase your prompts can significantly impact the quality of the responses you receive from ChatGPT. If you provide vague or unclear instructions, you might end up with irrelevant or overly generic answers. This tutorial is for anyone looking to create more effective custom GPTs, whether you're a developer building apps, a content creator, or just someone who wants to interact with ChatGPT more efficiently. Tailoring your system prompts can save time, improve accuracy, and lead to more productive conversations. Let's break down how to write an effective system prompt. The first step is to understand its structure. A great system prompt typically includes context, a role, and a specific task. For instance, you might write, "As a travel advisor, recommend 3 exciting destinations for a family vacation." This prompt sets clear expectations by defining the role and the task. When you run it, you'll get focused and relevant responses. To improve this further, you could add a personalization aspect, such as, "As a travel advisor, recommend 3 exciting destinations for a family vacation that includes cultural experiences." This additional detail helps the assistant tailor its suggestions even more closely to the user's interests. One common mistake many people make is being too vague or generic in their prompts. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about dogs," try something like, "As a pet expert, explain the best ways to train a Labrador puppy." This not only narrows down the focus, but also enhances the quality of the response. If you notice that your responses remain generic, rethink your prompt. Always ensure you provide enough context and specific roles for the assistant. If you catch a vague response, adjust the prompt and run it again for better clarity. Now, let's discuss some power tips to really elevate your system prompts. First, consider including examples in your prompts. For instance, you might say, "As a recipe creator, provide me with a healthy dinner idea like grilled salmon with asparagus." Examples help guide the assistant to what you're looking for. Second, use constraints to improve clarity. As a financial advisor, recommend 2 investment options with a focus on low risk. Lastly, don't hesitate to iterate. If a prompt doesn't yield quality responses, tweak it and try again. The more feedback you give the assistant, the better it gets at understanding your needs. To wrap up, mastering system prompts is essential for getting the most out of your custom GPTs in ChatGPT. Remember to be specific about the role, provide context, and incorporate examples and constraints where necessary. With practice, you'll find that your prompts lead to more relevant and valuable responses, enhancing your overall experience. Now that you have these tips, go ahead and start crafting your system prompts, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Happy prompting!